Hi, if you are getting this kind of issue in the sense .NET version is not found, or this kind of .NET Core SDK cannot be located, even though you might be having this .NET version is already installed. The reason for this is this VS Code get installed in terms of as a sandboxed way. In the sense, for example, just assume this box, this particular whatever is box, this is like a one particular small box in a big screen of this box. I mean, your system is this big screen, but your VS Code get installed in this particular one, small one. This is called sandboxed. Whatever runs, it treats only this particular area. For example, let's assume this particular is a sandbox. This treat as this full screen is a one screen. This particular one is a sandbox. Here .NET is not available. So the solution for this is you have to install your software as a global way instead of restricted to this particular place. The solution for this is you have to remove this particular one. Probably you have installed this using the option like what is that, software updater. I mean, if you are on what is that, Fedora, I think here it will be like this. In App Center you will install from the in Ubuntu, you will do it in the App Center. For example, here if you go here, you will see this VS Code is here, okay, but this is not the way. You have, this is from FlatHub, okay. There are multiple things. Instead of going to deep down, better understand in a simple way. Just remove this, okay. Remove this. I'm just giving this remove, permanently delete, allows app settings and content. Okay, keep app settings and content. Hopefully it works. I think it's better to completely remove, okay. And then, so for that you can just go to the VS Code on Linux. If you just Google out, you will get the commands. If it's for Debian to Debian Ubuntu or Fedora. Right now I'm in Fedora. Let me jump back. You can see this particular RHEL Fedora Red Hat CentOS. I'm just copying it. Quickly I'll do this. I have to enter my password. Make sure you're entering the root password. If you are server admin or something, you should be having the rights. Okay. Okay, first step is this, and then okay, sorry, before that I forgot, make sure your uninstallation is proper. VS Code, yeah, it is removed. You can see here it is removed. Install means it is removed. Now whatever you have kept open, just close this completely, and then ideally RPM packages you imported, and then go here and take the next step. It takes a while. I'll just pause my recording. Usually when you are uninstalling this kind of issues, better when you uninstall you have to restart. It is common in Windows or Linux. Hope this works, because Linux is comparatively better than Windows in terms of the installation, uninstallation, clear up all those things. Since the earlier it was in a sandbox, so I don't think it makes an issue as we're installing globally. You can see I installed the global place only. You have to keep pressing Y kind of. Yeah, the installation completed. Okay, now if you visit the code, sorry, one sec, it says, you can see it like install is not done, okay, but whatever we install now, it won't appear here because this is a sandbox system. I told you, here it says whatever installed to this particular software catalog only, it appears here, okay. So this is not installed, so leave this particular, but I'm just typing the code, it just appears here, okay. I'm in the multiple screen, so it won't appear, but see, you can see it made a fresh installation now. So quickly go here, browse color themes, blah blah blah, read support languages, tune your, okay. Before that, yeah, rather wasting time, .NET version. That's it. You got the .NET version. Earlier, it used to appear like there is no. You can see this is earlier screenshot. It used to come like this. If you type the .NET version, it used to appear like this. One sec. Yeah, it used to appear in the terminal. It used to appear 8.0, but here in this particular VS Code terminal, it used to say .NET command not found. Okay, there are multiple ways to fix, but the easy and quick way is this is the one. Okay, let me jump back. Yeah, this is installed. Rich support languages, whatever you choose, and then tune your settings, blah blah blah, all those things. Yeah, quickly what you can do is .NET. Yeah, before that, whatever you create a new project or anything, make a directory like test1, cd test1. If you guys, especially just like me, I am completely from a Windows background. A lot of days. Recently, I jumped into Linux, so this is a common and most time-killing issue for everybody who faces. I'm in the need of Linux using for testing purpose, all those things. That's why I'm just shifting. So you came here. So .NET new console. These commands are all why it is required. That's the question for Windows guys, but it is really essential, and you will learn a lot with this. Okay, I just created this particular one, and then .NET. It makes you a lot of profit for you also. When you do this, you can just what do you call, understand the concept of what it is happening, all those things. .NET run, it has already executed. So file, just if you wanted to open the folder, blah blah blah, test1, you can just see you did it here. But here the option difference is compared to normal Visual Studio in terms of Windows to here is you will do everything as like file opening and then running. You can do the debugging, everything you can do, but little different, not completely comfortable like Visual Studio in Windows. Okay, yeah, that's all about the purpose of this video is like how to install .NET SDK issue, all those things, because we have seen the many videos and many link all those things, nowhere they are explaining. This is a very simple basic one, and this is what I mentioned is for the sake of this comments I just mentioned. So I just made this one, and if you just do this particular one, this is for, I mean, first one I installed, second one I installed, third one is if you are having older version, then this is the way. Microsoft is having all the documentation, but it is too much. That is the only problem. In the Ubuntu or Debian, what you have to do is you have to download the Debian file and then install this. Use this command, is sudo apt install and dot this one. So the solution is simple: uninstall whatever you have, VS Code, whichever is installed through this app catalog. I mean, I hope you understand my point. One sec. So whatever you are installed through this app catalog, that should be removed. Okay, sorry, you can see here VS Code is not appearing. Okay, so the solution is that only. Cool, keep sharing. Yeah, that's great. Happy, keep sharing.